Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a digital handheld microscope. It's by a company called Linkmicro. This is the box it comes in. Now, once you open it up, you are, of course, going to get a user manual that tells you how to utilize it. We're going to cover a lot of those features right now in the video. You are going to get a little carrying case to store it in. We typically just store it in the box, but you do have a case if you want to get rid of all that. It does charge up via a USB to USB micro A power cable. So you're going to utilize this to charge up the battery. Then it also comes with a little lanyard here if you want to put this around your wrist. We don't really use this. I think it gets in the way, so I don't have that on here. And then in this little plastic piece, there is going to be a micro SD card, so that is included. Then you're going to get the little handheld microscope itself. So to give you an idea of the size of this thing, it is approximately 5 inches wide, 7 inches tall, and about 1.5 inches in depth. And more importantly, the screen itself is about 4 inches across the diagonal. Now, super lightweight, which is really important because while you're holding it, you're not going to get your hand tired, anything like that. My son got this actually as a Christmas gift, and we all absolutely love it. We've used it exploring things all around the house. Very, very easy to operate. So first off, you'll see on the back side that there's this little black kind of strip. Just peel that off, and that is where you're going to plug it in to charge it up, and then that's where you'll also find the micro SD card slot. You can utilize this to hook it up to the computer and look at the footage and the videos. I personally just find it easier to just remove the micro SD card and put that directly in the computer to access the files. Now on the back side, you have the power button. Simply going to hold that down to turn it on. And then you are going to have these little up and down arrows. So those you are going to utilize to cycle through the videos or the photos on the device if you are utilizing that. Then you are going to have a mode button. So that mode button is going to switch between the film and the photos. Then you're going to have the OK button. That's basically a selection button. And then if you press the big camera button in the middle, that is going to take that photo or it's going to start recording the footage. Super easy to utilize when it comes to focusing. So there is this big silver wheel on the side here. Simply rotate that and it will be able to focus and zoom in onto an object. This thing has an impressive 200 times zoom. So it can really zoom in close. If you have a piece of hair, you can see all the detail of the hair. It's just really, really impressive as far as that aspect. Now, as far as the video and the footage, it's going to be recording in 1080p HD. Everything does look nice and clear as far as utilizing it. And as you can see, the screen is nice and bright, easy to read, which is another great aspect of it. Now, another cool thing about this device here, because it is magnifying so much, they do have a little black dial right on the front, and you can see it has a bunch of LEDs around the camera. So you can choose to make that light brighter or dimmer to whatever you want, or you can even turn it off. So if you are looking at something kind of that's close and it's hard to see, just turn on the light to give it a little punch of brightness, which is nice. And when you're zooming in, obviously, it can be a little bit hard to hold and keep steady if you're really zoomed in. So they do include on the bottom side the ability to actually attach this to a monopod or a tripod if you so wish. Honestly, we don't really utilize that because we feel it's pretty stable. The camera part itself, the screen, it's, as you can see, it rotates quite a bit. So you can cover every different angle. It basically rotates a little bit more than 360 degrees. So if you want somebody else to look at it, you can do that by showing them the screen. If you're standing behind it, you can rotate it so you're seeing the screen. you really get all the various options. Now, when it is recording, it's also going to record audio, so if you wanted to talk during it, you can, and there is a speaker on the device itself if you want to listen to it while utilizing that. But overall, this thing is absolutely amazing. I really was impressed with how well it works. You could start exploring all kinds of things, whether it's looking at details on coins or rocks, if you're wanting to explore kind of bugs or just all kinds of interesting stuff throughout the yard, or if you take this on a trip, plants, a lot of fun stuff. Keep your kids entertained, even keeps the adults entertained, because we've also enjoyed it as adults themselves too. So overall, if you are looking for a handheld microscope, I totally recommend checking this one out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those, and that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.